Hey guys, I'm Amor. Welcome to TechStop. The flagship Samsung Galaxy S20 smartphone has been on sale for a long time. We are getting closer to the announcement of their successor. It is expected that the new line will be called Samsung Galaxy S21, and now there are render of one of the models of this promising series on the web. It should be noted right away that rumors did not attribute the Galaxy S21 any special design change, and the same is reflected in this render. The Galaxy S21 is very similar to the Galaxy S20 front panel and Galaxy Note 20 back panel camera block, and the most important difference from the Galaxy S20 models is the presence of the S Pen. According to present rumor, there will be not a new generation of Galaxy Note smartphone. Just the S Pen will be available to the Galaxy S line, at least one or several top models of the series. After the announcement of the flagship series Samsung Galaxy Note 20, information about the main device of the Korea manufacturer of earlier 2021, the Galaxy S21 series began to appear more intensively on the network. This time mentions of the Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus were found in the database of Chinese regulator 3C, where the models are certified. While the documentation provides little information, only information about the batteries, a smartphone with model number SMG996, that is Galaxy S21 Plus, with a capacity of 4660 mAh, and SMG991, that is Galaxy S21 with a capacity of 3880 mAh. Both batteries are not manufactured by Samsung but the Chinese company Amperex Technology Limited. The typical capacity should be higher than the specified nominal one. For comparison, the Galaxy S20 Plus has a nominal battery capacity of 4370 mAh and a typical capacity of 4500 mAh. Thus, we can assume that the typical capacity of Galaxy S21 Plus will be 4800 mAh. The nominal capacity of the Galaxy S21 is the same as the Galaxy S20. Accordingly, the typical capacity should be remain the same, 4000 mAh. In processor department, Samsung makes Exynos 1000 for Indian market and Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 for the US market. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you next one.